everyone. Today I'll be making cookies using pancake mix. What all goes into the pancake mix cookies? 3/4 cup or 1½ sticks of unsalted butter, room temperature, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 2 cups pancake mix, and I'm going to be using my homemade pancake mix. I'll leave the link to that video down below. 1 cup chocolate chips. I'm going to be using fancy unicorn baking confetti. So let's begin. Take your stand mixer or a bowl with a hand mixer. Cream together your 1½ sticks of room temperature butter. I stuck mine in the microwave for just a little bit, and that is unsalted butter. Put in your 1/2 cup of brown sugar and your 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and cream that together until light and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then mix your egg and your 2 teaspoons of vanilla until just combined. Then gradually, on low, mix in your pancake mix until just combined. Do not overmix. And I'll just start a little bit here before I start it on. I always like to check and make sure that it is fully mixed clear to the bottom. And if you have some dry ingredients, mix that in. Then fold in your 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mine is the unicorn baking confetti. Isn't that pretty? And get that folded in. Looks like a lot. Now, these cookies, because they're made with pancake mix, they're not going to rise very tall. They'll be flat cookies like pancakes. I did read that if you make pancake cookies, you can add some more baking powder, but I'm following the recipe just like it says, except for the chocolate chip part. After you get that all folded in, put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to chill. Preheat the oven to 350. Take 3 tablespoons of cookie dough or a number 20 cookie scoop. I don't know what size this is, but this is the size I'm using. Put that on your prepared baking sheet, about 2 inches apart. They will spread, and like I said, they will be flat, but maybe with all this confetti stuff, maybe they won't be so flat. Put your pancake cookies in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes till the edges are starting to turn golden brown. After 11 minutes, you can see they are getting brown along the sides. They aren't real flat, but I'm expecting them to get flatter as they cool. I did smash them down a little bit because they were cooking up in the ball. I didn't think that they would get done that way. So I did smash them, and I think that was the right choice. Don't leave them in the ball. Leave these on the sheet for 2 or 3 minutes before you move them to a cooling rack. After they're totally cool, then I will put them in an airtight container. So here are the pancake mix cookies, unicorn style. Let's see what Dave thinks.
These are colorful.
Those are pancake mix cookies, and I added unicorn baking confetti.
Tastes a lot like a sugar cookie.
Yeah, it's made out of that homemade pancake mix that I made.
Did you add any extra sugar to it or just like it was?
Oh, I put in a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar and a stick and a half of butter.
They're good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.